Hello everybody, today we are going to talk about how do I present my slides in Google Meet. I'm going to share with you some tips. You are tasked to present during a virtual meeting through Google Meet. So you click the share button. Choose a window to share. That means that slides should have been opened ahead before you share. Then you go to your slides so you can start the slideshow. Then you realize that you can't see what's going on with your audience because you can only see the slides. Relax, just minimize the window for your slides and minimize the window of your Google Meet. Drag the edges if you must. Now you see both windows, right? Now let me introduce you the reading view button. Clicking it enables you to play the slide just like slideshow or when you press F5. Click the back arrow or forward arrow depending on your need. How about if you want to share some YouTube videos or other visual online? That's easy as pie. Open the tab that you want to share. Click the share button. Share tab and choose the tab you want to share. Click the video you want to share. It is way better if you have clicked the video open before you share, so the audience will not see you searching. Everything in this tab can be viewed by the audience, and the sound of the video, including the noise you make, can be heard. This tab is brought to us by Photogenetics. Always remember the important tools too. Mic if you want to speak. Camera if you want to be seen. The three dots for more options. You can record the meeting if you are the host. Adjust the layout so you can also see others. To be more efficient, I use my laptop for presentation purposes, then I also log in with my phone.